use a new black pencil for my brows today. Hopefully this goes well. I don't like trying new products for my brows because things might go wrong. But let me try one today. I'm going to be using this new black pencil by Collection. Collection is available at Superdrug. I'm going to clean my brows. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow base. Guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Juvia'S eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start by using this shade. The reason why I'm not talking is because the eyes look like we explain itself. Anyway, I'm just blending all this color around. I'm doing a halo eyes. I just change the brush to a precise brush and use that to tap. So I'm going to take the two transition color we use. I'm going to blend that. I'll take this. Take the shade right here. I'm going to take the liner by Fenty Beauty. So I'm just taking the green around on the hooded eyes. For my under eyes, I'm going to apply this liner by Lapaige. So now I'm going to take a liner. Use this Uoma Beauty eyeliner. This is a new black brand and it's available at Selfridges. I'm going to use this lashes by Lapaige Trend. So lashes on, looking fierce. Yeah. Now I'm going to blend out my under eyes. I'm going to be using the green on this palette. This green right here. This is a very nice eye look. Like I tried today, like well done, Jojo. For mascara, I'm going to use mascara by Make Makeup. I'm going to do my lip with the sleek lip liner in the shade Just Say Nothing. I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So the last thing I'm going to do now is to highlight my face. The Juvia'S palette, blush palette, volume 1. I'm going to take this two highlighter shades. So guys, this is my final look. If I did not add the foundation to this clip, check the description bar for the foundation routine of this makeup. I was reviewing the Juvia'S new foundation and concealer, so check this out at the description bar. So this is how the eye look is looking. Yeah, this is just the eye look. Okay, so let me know your thoughts on this eye look at the comment section. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.